Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels. You also get tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors with colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior, the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get automatic headlights and wipers, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 17,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.